everyone, today we're going to talk about this book, English for Everyone, English Vocabulary Builder. We will learn and practice more than 3,000 words and phrases. This is a massive book. It's as important as this book. Do you remember this one? We made a video about this one. If you haven't checked our video, you should check it there. Let's cut to the chase and get the ball rolling. Firstly, I want to say there are 78 parts about this book. We're going to crash them one by one. Firstly, let's talk about the first one, countries and nationalities. We're going to talk about page 10 first. All right, countries number 1, Canada, United States of America, or we can say US, Mexico, Netherlands, Czech Republic. Remember, Czech Republic. This C-Z-E-C-H pronounced Czech. Czech Republic. Poland, Slovakia, United Kingdom, or we can say UK. Republic of Ireland, ROI, Germany, Austria, France, France, Switzerland, Portugal, Brazil, Argentina, Greece, UAE, United Arab Emirates, Spain, South Africa, Egypt. Now let's check words on page 11. Russia, Mongolia, South Korea, Turkey, Japan, China, Thailand, Philippines, India, Singapore, Indonesia, Pakistan, Australia, New Zealand. All right, we're going to talk about the nationalities. USA, American, Canada, Canadian, Mexico, Mexican, Brazil, Brazilian, Argentina, Argentinian, UK, British, France, French, Russia, Russian, Spain, Spanish, Portugal, Portuguese, Poland, Polish, Greece, Greek, Turkey, Turkish, Egypt, Egyptian, China, Chinese, Japan, Japanese, India, Indian, Pakistan, Pakistani, Mongolia, Mongolian, Australia, Australian, Germany, German, Switzerland, Swiss, Austria, Austrian. Here's a question for you. Where do you come from? What is your nationality? You can leave the comments below and we're going to talk about this next time, all right? Here, page 12 and page 13, we have some practice. I think you can do it by yourself. All right, next one. Number 2, numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. From 13 to 19, we have another word, which is a teenager, all right? 20, 21, 22, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, or 100. What is your age? You can leave it in the comments below and tell us. All right? Ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 20th, 21st. Large numbers. 100 or 100, 250, 1,000, 200, 200, 1,000, or we can say 1,000, 1 million or a million, 3,800 82,043, 234,407, 3,089,342. Fractions, decimals, and percentage. An eighth, a quarter, a third, a half, 3/5, 3/5, 0.5, 1.7, 3.97, 1%, 99%. 50, page 16 and page 17. Here the exercise. Please finish it by yourself. Number 3, time expressions. The calendar, day, week, 2 weeks, fortnight, month, weekend, year, decade, century, millennium, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Seasons and frequency. Next part, seasons and frequency. Day, night, morning, afternoon, evening, spring, summer, autumn or fall, winter, minute, hour, once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, every day. Remember, every day, it's 2 words. If every day is 1 word, that means it's an adjective. We can plus some nouns after adjective. We can plus some nouns. We can say everyday work, everyday food, everyday drinks, etc. So remember this one, the difference between every day and every day, 1 word. Next one, every other day, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, always, usually, often, or you can say often, sometimes, never. All right, let's check. This is the exercise. Let's check number 4. Daily routines. Alarm goes off to wake up, to get up, to take a shower or to have a shower, to take a bath or to have a bath, to put on makeup, to shave, to wash your hair, to dry your hair, to iron a shirt, to get dressed, to brush your teeth, to wash your face, to brush your hair, to make the bed, to have breakfast, or you can say to eat breakfast, to brush your teeth, to do the housework, to leave the house, to go to work, to go to school, to catch the train, to catch the bus, to drive, to arrive late, to start work, to have a break, to have lunch or to eat lunch, to finish work, to leave work, to work overtime, to go home, to buy groceries, to cook dinner, to have dinner or to eat dinner, to clear the table, to listen to the radio, to watch TV, to check your emails, to have tea or coffee, to drink tea or coffee, to do the dishes or to wash the dishes, to walk the dog, to read a newspaper, to go out with friends, to go to a cafe, to call a friend or to call your family, to do homework, to put the children to bed, to take out the trash, or we can say to take out the rubbish. It's UK, it's British English, the rubbish. Trash is American English. To feed the dog or to feed the cat, to go to bed. All right, this is number 4, daily routines. Next time, we're going to talk about number 5, the colors describing things, facts, etc. All right, 4 times every, okay, let's check. there are 78. Divide 4. That means 19.5 times we can finish this book. It means 20 days. Until next time. Peace.